As we navigate the complex world of dietary choices, it becomes increasingly clear that our food selections play a crucial role in either nurturing or endangering our kidney health. The kidneys, shaped like beans, maintain a delicate balance essential for our overall well-being. These organs not only filter waste and excess fluids, but also influence blood pressure, maintain electrolyte balance, and assist in red blood cell production. While genetic factors and lifestyle choices significantly impact kidney health, it's vital to recognize that the foods we eat can also contribute to the deterioration of these essential organs. In this video, we'll examine 6 common foods that might be harming kidney health without your knowledge. High sodium levels. Sodium, an essential electrolyte necessary for various bodily functions such as maintaining fluid balance, transmitting nerve impulses, and supporting muscle function, is a key part of our diet. However, the modern dietary landscape, characterized by the abundance of processed, and often disrupts the balance needed for optimal kidney health. The consequences of excessive sodium intake are significant for kidney health, given the kidney's critical role in regulating sodium levels within the body. Excessive sodium intake has harmful effects, particularly by raising blood pressure, a major risk factor for kidney disease. The kidneys, responsible for filtering blood and removing waste, face an increased workload when dealing with high blood pressure. This prolonged strain can lead to gradual damage to the kidneys over time. Processed foods and snacks, notorious for their high sodium content, significantly contribute to this hidden danger. From canned soups to tempting snacks, these convenient food items often hide their sodium levels under appealing flavors. To reduce the risks associated with high sodium foods, it is essential to make a fundamental shift towards choosing fresh, whole foods. Incorporating fruits, vegetables, and whole grains into your diet not only reduces sodium intake, but also provides vital nutrients that promote overall health. Additionally, using herbs and spices as seasonings instead of salt further enhances a diet beneficial for kidney health. Cola and dark sodas. Cola and dark sodas, known for their fizziness and flavor, contain an ingredient called phosphoric acid, which presents a significant risk to kidney health. Despite providing the unique tangy sensation that characterizes these drinks, this acidic compound has been linked to a higher risk of kidney stones and potential kidney damage. An excess of phosphoric acid can lead to the formation of kidney stones, solid formations that cause intense pain and disrupt normal kidney function. Furthermore, the high levels of sugar or artificial sweeteners in these beverages pose an additional threat, as excessive sugar intake is associated with obesity and type 2 diabetes, both known risk factors for kidney disease. Choosing alternatives such as water, herbal teas, or fresh juices not only reduces the intake of phosphoric acid, but also promotes adequate hydration, a key aspect of kidney health. Caffeine and carbonated beverages. Caffeine, a naturally occurring stimulant found in coffee, tea, and various energy drinks, is being discussed in relation to kidney health. Caffeine has been linked to specific health benefits, including increased alertness and enhanced cognitive function. However, excessive consumption, particularly through energy drinks and beverages with high caffeine content, can lead to dehydration, a condition where the body loses more fluids than it takes in, posing a direct risk to kidney health. Proper hydration is crucial for the kidneys to effectively filter waste and maintain electrolyte balance. Prolonged periods of dehydration strain the renal system, potentially leading to gradual kidney damage. Additionally, carbonated beverages that compound the caffeine issue often contain phosphoric acid, similar to that found in cola, posing an additional risk to kidney health. Moderation is key to finding a balance. Processed meats. Recognized as a significant protein source, meat is an integral part of various diets. However, processed meats like sausages, deli meats, and bacon raise specific concerns for kidney health. Infused with salt and preservatives to enhance flavor and prolong shelf life, these flavorful products entail potential risks to kidney well-being. The increased salt content in processed meats contributes to elevated blood pressure, placing additional strain on the kidneys. Moreover, excessive intake of substantial protein, while beneficial in moderation, may pose challenges when consumed in large quantities. The kidneys, responsible for filtering waste from protein metabolism, might face strain from a diet high in processed meats, potentially leading to kidney dysfunction over time. Opting for lean protein sources such as legumes, poultry, fish, and plant-based alternatives not only helps mitigate the risks associated with processed meats, but also supports a kidney-healthy diet and heart health. Adopting a balanced approach to protein intake ensures that the body's nutritional needs are met without compromising kidney function. Alcohol. The consumption of alcohol, whether in the form of a beverage and widely accepted as a social relaxant, can have profound impacts on kidney health when consumed irresponsibly. While moderate alcohol consumption may offer certain cardiovascular benefits, indulging in excessive alcohol use presents a significant danger to the kidneys. The primary way alcohol impacts kidney function is through its dehydrating effects. Alcohol disrupts the release of an antidiuretic hormone, leading to increased urine production and subsequent loss of fluids. This dehydration forces the kidneys to work harder to maintain water and electrolyte balance. Prolonged stress on the renal system can contribute to the development of kidney disease and related complications. Moreover, excessive alcohol consumption is recognized as a known risk factor for the onset and progression of kidney disease. Metabolites resulting from alcohol, along with the inflammatory response induced by excessive consumption, can damage kidney tissues over time. For those concerned about their kidney health, taking essential steps, such as moderating alcohol intake and ensuring proper hydration, are crucial actions in protecting kidney well-being. Elevated potassium in foods. Potassium, an essential mineral critical for various physiological functions like nerve transmission, muscle contraction, and maintaining fluid balance in the body, plays a pivotal role in overall health. However, for those with kidney issues, excessive intake of potassium-rich foods can pose potential harm. Fruits like bananas, oranges, and tomatoes, as well as vegetables such as potatoes and spinach, act as abundant sources of potassium. While these foods are essential for a balanced diet, excessive potassium intake can pose challenges for individuals with compromised kidney function. The kidneys, responsible for filtering excess potassium from the bloodstream, may struggle to maintain the right balance, leading to hyperkalemia, a condition marked by high potassium levels. Working with healthcare professionals to tailor potassium intake to individual needs is vital for those dealing with kidney health issues. Carefully monitoring food choices, considering potassium content, and adopting a personalized approach to nutrition allow individuals to maintain overall health while effectively managing potential risks associated with potassium-rich foods. The foods discussed in this video are not necessarily off-limits, but it's advisable to consume them in moderation, especially for those with existing kidney problems. Adopting a diet that promotes kidney health involves prioritizing fresh whole foods, opting for lean protein sources, and carefully managing nutrient intake to maintain a delicate balance. For personalized guidance, individuals can seek advice from healthcare professionals or registered dietitians to ensure their dietary decisions suit their specific kidney health requirements. Taking proactive measures in our dietary choices empowers us to play a significant role in preserving kidney health and enhancing overall well-being. And remember, maintaining a balanced diet, staying hydrated, engaging in regular exercise, and getting regular health checkups are essential for overall health and kidney vitality. And thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated. Please consider liking the video, subscribing to the channel, turning on notifications, and sharing the video with your contacts. Take care, and see you in the next lesson.